Dear users, welcome to watch this tutorial video. In this video, we'll mainly explain the unpacking and assembly of the A22 plant protection machine. Before opening the package and using the product, please check whether it contains all the items listed in this item in time. If any items are missing, please contact our sales manager in time. It mainly contains the following items: the main body of the aircraft, number 1-2 front arm, number 3-4 rear arm, remote control package, water tank, sprayer box, tool kit. 1. Remove the cover. Take out the drone body and arm from the packing box. Remove the screws according to the following steps with the 3.0mm hex socket screwdriver in the tool kit. Remove the 2 screws on both sides of the cover and the 2 screws on the bottom, and pull out the case towards the machine head. 2. Remove the central cover. Remove these 5-piece screws and shift to the central cover. Three. Install 1-2 front arms. Remove the plug of the screw hole of the arm fixing part. And loosen the 4 fixing screws at this position. And insert the power cable of 1-2 arm into the arm. Insert the number 1-2 arm from the designated position of the fuselage. When inserting, please align it with the internal cut slot of the fixing part and fix it completely before tightening the screw. 4. Install 3-4 front arms. Remove the plug of the screw hole of the arm fixing part and loosen the arm fixing screws. Loosen the screw on the side locking part of the rear arm. Unplug the RTK feeder and power cord of the arm 3-4. Insert the arm from the designated position of the fuselage and pull out the RTK feeder and power cord from the center compartment. When inserting, please align it, and after it is completely fixed, tighten the arm fixing screw. Fix the screws on the side of the arm to complete the assembling. 5. Connecting the wires and tube. After the arm is installed, all the plugs of each circuit and the infusion tube of the spray system must be correctly connected. Please use a standard 12 open-end wrench in the toolkit to reinforce the water pipe nut. Firstly, remove the left and right feeder clamps, and then plug in the 4 arms, the digital link, and the left and right RTK antenna plugs. Six. Install the central cover and head cover. Put the feeder clamps, the central cover, and the head cover back and tighten the screws. Load it into the aircraft, and the drone assembly is completed.